just when you thought it was safe to come back into the kitchen, it's head trainer David Key back at you with a Wednesday grind. Today, we're gonna make one of my favorites, some sweet potato chips. Yep, we're gonna make them ourselves. You don't have to do the store-bought. In fact, I'll put my sweet potato chips up against any store-bought chips. Ready to take the Pepsi challenge? Now that we've got them all sliced up, I'm gonna toss them in a nice big bowl with just a little bit of olive oil. We wanna make sure that olive oil just barely kisses each one of those individual chips, mixing it up well. Then they'll be ready for your parchment paper and be able to slide them into the oven. We're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. I also have some turmeric. As you guys well know, those are great benefits to your health. Of course, turmeric was one of my favorite because it's got anti-inflammatory benefits. And also a little bit of sea salt. Don't need much, but interesting enough, the salt will bring out the sweetness of the potatoes. Just a little bit. And if you could just hear my oven preheating in the background. Ready for the oven. Oh, I know what that sound means. Ooh, didn't take long at all. 400 on the oven, just for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending upon how thinly sliced. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I gotta do the experiment. We gotta get close enough so I can. Hear that crunch? That is delicious. I should have fixed the sandwich with them, but heck, if this is gonna be my lunch, I can catch that protein on the other end. I'm gonna sit down and enjoy these. That's it, better than the store-bought. Take that Pepsi challenge. I guarantee you'll make them better and healthier. That's something good.